Hi ma'am, I'm Akash. I want to prepare for UPSC, but I'm not sure how to begin.
Welcome, Akash. Tell me, are you looking for complete guidance across all three stages of the exam or support in just one stage like prelims, mains, or interview?
I want all-round guidance that can help me at every stage.
Perfect. In that case, I'd strongly recommend our GS Foundation course. This program has been trusted by UPSC CSE 2024 toppers, All India rank 2, 3, and many more.
Wow, that sounds impressive. What makes it so special?
It's the way the course is designed. You'll get complete coverage of prelims, including GS and CSAT, a holistic plan for GS mains covering essay, general studies, and ethics, a thorough, step-by-step approach for the personality test. And throughout, you'll be guided by experienced faculty who've mentored hundreds of successful candidates. But that's not all. You'll also practice with our All India test series, and the detailed feedback will help you identify both strengths and weak areas, so you can keep improving.
Really? That's exactly what I need. Can I also see the classrooms and facilities here?
Of course, Akash. Come with me.